for me to make meatballs the Italian Greek way. And I do some things which require less work, and we let the machinery do the job. In this case, I'm talking about a slow cooker. Years ago, what our grandmothers used to do was put a pot on the stove on a Sunday morning, make their sauce, make their gravy, and let it cook for 5 or 6 hours. I don't do it that way. We live here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and as a result of living in Las Vegas, Nevada, I've adapted using a slow cooker. You can do this in a pressure cooker. I use the slow cooker. It comes out much closer to the way our grandmothers used to make sauce or gravy on a Sunday morning. Okay, so today what we're going to make is turkey meatballs, San Marzano tomato sauce to cook the meatballs in, because that's our meat.
Let's look at that more closely, the San Marzano.
These are the San Marzano tomatoes.
Oh yeah, let's see.
And these come from Italy, and they're grown in the volcanic soil in the southern region of Italy. And here they are. Here's what they look like. And what we're going to do before we make the meatballs is we're going to make the sauce. So